So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished uninstalling a little heat pump right here. Haven't seen one of these before. It looks like a pretty neat little device, but homeowner wanted this uninstalled, so we did. This came right from the hot and cold water supplies and then went up to the faucet. So this has been uninstalled, and then the faucet itself has its own integrated water lines that get tied back in, and you can see right here, there's where the first one's tied in, and you can see the shutoff valve. It looks pretty new and it's in good shape, not dripping. Packing nut is tight, so that's good. The other one's a little harder to get to. I don't even know if you can get a picture from over here. Probably not, but let's see. Anyway, so it is up in there, and you can barely see the white stem and the handle and whatnot. So everything's tied back in, hot and cold, working good, no leaking, but do monitor this for any moisture whatsoever, and give us a holler if anything goes wrong. Outside of that, this part of the installation is done. So we're still here in Fresno, California. We just finished just doing a little tightening up of this faucet right here. So the middle part, everything is correct. It was just the spout was moving around. So we got up there, took the tool that comes with you know, I'm assuming it's a Moen because the Moen tool fits with it, but other manufacturers are copying theirs as well, so it doesn't have to be a Moen, but it certainly appears to be one. So we got that center spout tightened up. It's pretty stiff holding. Unfortunately, the stems for the hot and cold waters are missing the stainless steel washer that comes with it. So it's just the brass nut, which is kind of floating half in and half out of the holes that are pre-manufactured, you know, with the sink. And so we can't really get up there and tighten it. We don't want to risk damaging the sink. So what I recommend is just, you know, these faucets are very delicate, so it's just one finger on, one finger off. If one finger off doesn't shut the water flow off, you're probably looking at a cartridge replacement. These are probably 10 to 20 bucks. Or call Moen and say, hey, take a picture of it. And what's nice, if this is a Moen indeed, you call them up. They say, what's the model number? You say, I don't know. You take a picture of it. You send it to pic@moen.com. That's PIC at moen.com. They'll look at it while they're on the phone with you, and they will tell you what the cartridge is. They'll ship it to you free of charge as long as you're the original owner, and then you just install it. So no big deal on that, but these are, like I say, just on and off. You don't want to grab this lever and use it or try and wrench it to get it closed so that it stops dripping. It'll just get worse and worse. So anyways, we got that tightened up, buttoned up, checked for leaks. We did tighten down the two packing nuts here. They were dripping a little bit, especially the one on the left. It's got metal stems coming out as opposed to the plastic, but it was dripping. And we'll get in there one more time just after this video and take a look, make sure they're still dry. Outside of that, this installation is done.